Hello everyone, welcome to TravShots with Nishand Krishna. This week I am at the most beautiful temple in the world, Gangai Konda Cholapuram, which is a beautiful temple in Tamilnadu. I am going to explore this place for you. For the next 5 to 10 minutes, you will see beautiful images of this temple. So come along, let's explore together.
Welcome to Gangai Konda Cholapuram, a town that is located 35 kilometers away from Kumbakonam and about 70 kilometers from Thanjavur. The UNESCO heritage site symbolizes triumph, aspirations, and dreams of one of the widely acclaimed and successful Chola emperor, Rajendra Chola. Everything about this temple is grand and magnificent. This temple was built exactly thousands of years ago and it still stands strong. I consider it as elegant among the three great living Chola temples that are present in Tamil Nadu. This temple is a living history of the Cholas in stone from the period of Rajendra Chola I. It is a known fact that Chola rulers were patrons of art and architecture. Many sculptures bought from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Bengal were preserved as war trophies in the temple and the surrounding villages. The city was founded by Rajendra Chola I to commemorate the victory over Pala dynasty. The Pala Empire was an imperial power during the post-classical period in the Indian subcontinent. The name Gangai Konda Cholapuram means the town of the Cholas who took over the Ganga or who defeated Ganga. He established Gangai Konda Cholapuram as his capital from the medieval Chola capital of Thanjavur, which would go on to become the capital of the Cholas for the next 250 years. Rajendra built the entire capital with a lot of temples and well-planned infrastructure recommended by the Tamil Vastu. However, all of these were destroyed in the 13th and 14th century except the temple which I was right now. It's a sad fact that this was the only proof of the legacy of the empire. It is now a small village. Its past eminence is still only remembered by the existence of this temple.
Guys, to be honest, I've never seen such a well-maintained temple. I mean, it's truly out of this world.
We had to climb up this grand staircase to get into the inner sanctum of the temple. This was the same entrance used by the royal family to worship the deity, king size. There I was at the entrance of the inner sanctum. The passage was long and built of huge stones from the above, and it kept cool inside. I went to worship the Lord. Photography and videography weren't allowed inside the passage, so I could only focus from the outside. Historians and architecture enthusiasts from across the globe visit this temple to witness the architectural marvel. Though it was built to reflect the big temple at Thanjavur, which was constructed by Rajaraja Chola, Rajendra Chola's father, this temple has its unique feature and houses a comparatively larger idol of Lord Shiva.
This temple is extremely divine, artistic, and very beautiful. I mean, I have no words to explain the beauty of it.
Except the ruins of the temple, nothing has been found of the other structures that were once part of the glorious capital of the Cholas. Was the city destroyed by the subsequent invaders as revenge and only the temple was spared? Or was the city affected by a natural calamity and the temple survived? Well, nobody has any answer, but it remains to be a mystery. A well was dug out to pour out the water from the Ganges inside the temple premises, maybe to herald the construction of the temple and to mark it as an auspicious beginning. A lion statue was built over the well and the water was used for the sanctification of the temple. However, now the well is closed, but one can still see the steps leading to the water below. The best season to visit the temple is November to January as the heat is less. Also, early mornings and evenings are the best to beat the crowd. The temple is open from 6 am to 12 pm and then again from 4 pm to 8 pm on all days. There is no entry fee. There is ample parking space outside the temple and you will find quite a few kiosks and coffee shops for any refreshments. I love this UNESCO heritage site, and this was the final glimpse of its grandeur.
I hope you liked this edition of TravShots. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. If you like this particular edition of TravShots, please do share it with your friends and relatives and also like the video. Till the next one, signing off, Nishand.